So you guys think that being an entrepreneur is all fun and games? Well, let me tell you the fucking truth.
And all the people say
Whoa. What is up, guys? So I'm gonna get straight into it. In this video, I'm just gonna talk about, the truth about being an entrepreneur and why I believe it is the best thing on earth. But it can also fucking suck if you're going through hard shit, right? So most things that entrepreneurs or people that are trying to be an entrepreneur, like, it seems all like exciting and stuff on Instagram, right? A lot of people are making it seem like it's super fun, and making businesses or trying to build an online business is super easy and accessible, which, let me clarify, it is not easy. It is accessible, but it's more simple and accessible. So everything's simple. How I'm able to make $10,000 profit each month, right? How? Using a laptop and a phone. How? Just because it's super accessible. All you need is just Wi-Fi connection. You don't even need a certain program on your computer, right? Like, even for some things, if I wanted to be a producer, right, to make beats, I would have to go and buy a software to make beats, which that software costs like $500, right? If I wanted to become a music editor, right, music video editor or editor in general, I would have to, like, the barrier to entry in that, I have to buy a camera, I have to buy a laptop, I have to go and buy this editing software, and then I have to buy, like, too much stuff, right? Even that, it's still super accessible, but, like, it's super simple. Super simple. All you need is a laptop. All you need is a laptop to make money nowadays. But it's super headache in the case that as an online nomad, you're a digital nomad, you're solo. Like, a lot of the things that I do, I'm solo. Like, in my town, there's not too many entrepreneurs. Most of the friends that are making money like me, are far away. So it's just been me by myself and I, right? Every day it's more on us, like, you have to push yourself through it. And especially, like, if you're still in school or college or in that system, it's kind of hard to, like, be used to working by yourself and doing everything yourself, because in school they teach you group, right? Group interaction, group activities, and do stuff together, like ask questions and stuff like that. But as an entrepreneur, since there's not too many doing this, right, who are you gonna ask questions, right? And the people that do know the answers to your questions don't even have time to actually talk to me, right? Maybe they do have time, but why would they make time to talk to someone like you or me, right? Someone lower than them, which is crazy to think, but I figured it out, right? So how I was able to speed up my success is just by networking with the right individuals, meeting the people that actually are doing it and that are doing it correctly, and modeling them. Okay, so how do you get in touch with people like this, right? If you've never heard this before, you're definitely like a new entrepreneur to this, because the whole point about business is providing value, right? So how would I get someone like Tai Lopez to talk to me or teach me about how he's doing this? Simple, by providing value. So a lot of the ways that I was able to provide value to actually learn stuff from people that are making hundreds of thousands of dollars profit each month is by providing value. So before all this, I was just a video editor. So I would make music videos, I would make little ads, commercials for people, barbershop commercials, real estate commercials or ads, and I would be getting paid, right? So that's how I got into dropshipping, doing these video edits, and I was already good at them, so I just started making ads for my products, dropshipping products, right? How I was able to provide value for other people that are in this niche or in this entrepreneur space to actually come and teach me. The value that I had was, I know how to edit videos, I know how to do video production, right? I know how to do social media content creation. So by going to people and telling them, hey, look, I can edit your videos, I can make you ads for Facebook for your dropshipping products, they're gonna be more like, oh snap, you're providing value for me. Hey, what can I do for you? Or what do you need in return? Right? Some people might want to pay you in money, some people might want to pay you in knowledge, or it depends what type of payment you want to accept, right? And that's the whole point to this. Like, unless you find a network of people that are doing the same thing you are, it's gonna take a while for you to break the barrier and paradigm shift, because as a solo dolo entrepreneur, your mom might not understand, your brother might not understand, your girlfriend might not understand. So it's gonna be very difficult, obviously, to get around obstacles if you're the only one that you can rely on to solve stuff, right? So your best tool is Instagram, is Google. Not in the traditional ways you might think, but Instagram as in to network with people that know what they're doing, that are doing more than you, so you can provide value to them and get some type of knowledge back, right? Because that's the whole point. We're trying to help each other out. You've helped me out by editing my videos, and I'll help you out by teaching you about dropshipping or scaling your online business using Facebook ads. So you see how there's a trade-off. I give you this, you give me this. It's not really as in give me, and that's the issue, right? So you have to understand that if you're doing this all by yourself, network with other people so you guys could, collaborate and mastermind, because that's one of the biggest issues, not being able to think outside the box because you're just all alone. So bring someone in from the outside that's doing something similar with that you are, and talk about it. Figure out how you can solve the issues that you're having. Also, if you don't have anyone, just use Google and YouTube. The only thing I don't like about this is that there's so much stuff and shit honestly out there that you just get bombarded, right? So maybe to you this video is shit, right? So imagine you watching another video and it's more shit, or another video it's more shit. So after searching a lot of YouTube videos for dropshipping videos, Shopify videos, entrepreneurship videos, you just don't even know what to do anymore, right? Because there's so much information. So it's easier when you have someone with you, or a friend doing something similar, or an online friend doing something similar, because they will keep you accountable, and actually it'll help you persist, right, through the barriers, through hardships, through things that don't go your way. By just talking it out with someone doing the exact same thing will get you to understand, like, oh, it's just this little small thing that I need to change. But being an entrepreneur is super fucking hard, more in the mentality side and aspect of it. It's not really too much about the tactics. Everyone can learn tactics. The tactics contribute to only like 10% of my success. The rest of this, the rest that matters is how you believe up here and what you perceive things, right? That's literally all it is. By paradigms, that's what control your life. So being in a certain environment will change how you perceive things, right? So super important to understand this. So if you're going through anything like hard or struggling through your entrepreneurship journey, don't give up, right? I recommend going and reaching out to people that are on your level and just helping each other out so you guys can mastermind, because that has helped me out and has literally taken my business to the next level and 10x it just by doing something simple like that. So yeah, I kind of started ranting, but that's all there is to it. So if you want to take one golden nugget from this entire video, I'm gonna tell you this: focus on growing your mindset. Okay, it's all about paradigms. If you really truly believe that you can make $100,000 profit this month, and you write that down every day in your notebook as a goal, if you have it on your wall every day and you're working towards it every day, it'll happen. But if you yourself don't believe that you can do it, and you don't repetitively brainwash yourself and embed it inside of your subconscious, it's just not going to happen. And that is facts, because until I started doing this, I was stuck at a certain level, right? Like making $5,000, $10,000 profit each month. I was stuck there, right? Stuck. But just by talking to some other people on my level and a couple people higher than me, and actually seeing what's out there, stretches your mind so much that you won't even believe what type of person you are 1 year from now. Because the person that I was 1 year before this is not the one sitting right in front of you, which is just crazy to think, but it is the same person. It's just the way I think, and that has made all the difference. So every day is Monday. If you still haven't subscribed, subscribe to the channel. Comment down, #MoneyGang. Money Gang. Now see you guys in tomorrow's video. Every day is Monday. Let's go make this money together.